everyone, and welcome to a new season, a new year of The Big Leap. As we speak, we are almost completing a year of what started as a partner interaction, and within 1 year, we've seen some phenomenal stories of mutual fund distribution coming out. When we thought of a new year and new season, I couldn't have been better placed than where I'm sitting right now. With me are the two powerhouses of this huge distribution outfit in Mumbai, SJ Investments, and it's my absolute honor and privilege today to be sitting with Rajni Bhai and Pratap Bhai. Whatever I can say will be less when it comes to their achievements over 28 years of financial services and products distribution in the heart of Mumbai city. So please welcome Rajni Bhai,
Thank you.
Pratap Bhai, and thank you so much for doing this for us. बहुत दिन से वेट कर रहे थे हम लोग कि आपके साथ ये करें, and from all of us at मेरे asset, big thank you. Like we always do कि शुरुआत से ही शुरुआत करते हैं कि ये 28 साल का जर्नी है, छोटा नहीं है. And if you see this entire process in Indian financial services, बहुत कुछ हो गया है. तो जब आपने चालू किया था, क्या सोच के चालू किया था, एंड लिटिल बिट ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन, और ये 28 साल कैसे बना, और ये जो आप दोनों के साथ शुरुआत हुआ था वो आज इतना बड़ा कैसे बना, इस पे थोड़ा अगर आप कह सकते हैं तो बहुत अच्छा होगा.
Thank you for your introduction. I congratulate you and entire Mirai team for first anniversary of your Big Leap.
Thank you.
It is good initiative.
हाँ जी.
And I wish everyone happy and safe New Year. As a Gujarati, I'm interested in stock market and financial products. So I was a member of BSC trading ring, and I was going in the ring every day. I was going there. So, and from there we had started distributing fixed deposits and other insurance and all. In 1992, we had started mutual fund also.
1992.
Yeah.
देखो पहला इन्वेस्टर बहुत टफ होता है.
हाँ.
पहले 100 इन्वेस्टर्स बहुत टफ होते हैं.
Yeah.
वो कैसे हुआ?
Oh, see, first I had invested in mutual funds. I saw that statement किसी बस मैंने मेरा चेक पढ़ा है, बरोबर है, और फिर मीटिंग रेफरल्स, फ्रेंड्स के पैसे लिए, रिलेटिव के पैसे लिए.
This is not the first time we are hearing कि मैंने अपना चेक पहले दिया.
हाँ.
एंड वो एक बहुत बड़ा चीज होता है इन फ्रंट ऑफ द इन्वेस्टर्स, नो?
Yeah.
नहीं, और उसमें क्या है कि जब भी इन्वेस्टमेंट करने को पार्टी आता है, उस जमाने में एश्योर्ड प्रोडक्ट काफ़ी रहा करता है, और उसके सामने आपको अनएश्योर्ड प्रोडक्ट बेचना है. सो वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू सेल.
NBFC was offering interest rate ranging from 15% to 21%.
करेक्ट.
वो एश्योर्ड है और ये अनएश्योर्ड बेचना है, तो इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टास्क. बट आई टोल्ड माई इन्वेस्टर वन थिंग, इन FD you lose entire capital. If company fails to repay your money, 1 lakh rupees stuck. Here mutual fund, either you will get 95,000 or 1,10,000. Here you won't lose your entire capital. On that ground, many my friends convinced that like in FD we lose many.
He was in physical market of that share market.
Or base is
So
equity only.
that client is risky clients. So that is very cushion for us.
They understand equities. No?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
slowly, but we have to work very hard.
1986 से 1992 तक मैंने 1800 PPF अकाउंट ओपन किए थे, पब्लिक प्रोविडेंट फंड, बिकॉज पोस्ट ऑफिस एक प्रोडक्ट था वो जमाने में,
Tax saving for
Tax saving.
ATC.
तो वो जो 1800 पार्टी था वो मैं म्यूचुअल फंड के टैक्स सेविंग स्कीम में कन्वर्ट किया. बट इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट
वेरी डिफिकल्ट.
बिकॉज ऑन दैट टाइम ओनली 60,000 वाज दैट अलाउड.
करेक्ट.
सो मैं क्लाइंट को रिक्वेस्ट करता था कि एटलीस्ट यू पुट 55,000 in that. Give me only 5,000 in that ELS scheme. So many, I think out of 10, 8 will be.
They say no, entire we want to invest in PF. We don't want
But
ELSS.
two people are happy to do. Okay, you do it.
नहीं, अभी तो if you
Yeah.
look at your business,
That's it.
business is at a different scale, number of investors are huge. But एक चीज which strikes me when I look at your business from the outside, I think आप पहले दिन से इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पे बहुत कमिटेड थे. ये कैसे हुआ? जैसे हम लोग
इवन क्लाइंट के पास एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म का डिटेल नहीं होगा. आई हैव दैट जेरोक्स कॉपी. अगर कोई ट्रांसमिशन केस आता है तो उसका वाइफ के पास या बच्चों के पास उसका फादर का कुछ भी रिकॉर्ड्स नहीं है. बट इन माई सिस्टम इफ यू आर इन्वेस्टेड थ्रू मी और आवर कंपनी you will get everything in that system. FD, postal, mutual funds, any type of insurance. So it is very easy to give service on that day because all documents I have. In that nomination is there, joint applicant is there. Very, very, very easy. From day one we are keeping all records.
बट ये सोच पहले दिन से ही था कि नहीं हम लोग पूरा एक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बनाएंगे टू सर्विस आवर इन्वेस्टर.
सी अगर आपको आगे बढ़ना है ना तो आपको कोई चीज़ का थोड़ा डिसिप्लिन तो करना पड़ेगा. खाली आप एप्लीकेशन लिया सबमिट किया तो आई वोंट थिंक कि ज़्यादा दिन आप सर्वाइव होएगा. डे बाय डे एवरी डे कंपटीशन इज गोइंग ऑन. अपना फाइनेंशियल मार्केट तो हर 3 साल में बदली हो जाता है. सपोज पब्लिक इशू चलता था, फिर फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट चालू हुआ. पोस्टल स्कीम इज फ्रॉम लास्ट 50 years सेम प्रोडक्ट. बैंक डिपॉजिट इज सेम प्रोडक्ट. बट देन आफ्टर दैट इक्विटी, sometimes equity is down, debt is going up, then again debt is down, equity is up. So this country, it's very difficult in finance market to go up, down, and in that case you have to survive.
Correct.
Because we have today 30 people of team.
Yes.
On that time we are 4 or 5 only. So from A to Z everything you have to do. You can't do only sales, you can't do only dispatch. You can't put all the data, nothing. So that time was very hard time. Between 1992 to 1999, very hard time. From all sides, system side, finance side, and we have not much more amount on that days. We have no very big amount to throw that money in our business. You have to earn and you have to expense. You have to earn and you have to expense. So that is very, very, very hard days on that days. And mostly we have 1-to-1 clients. So we have 2 branch from day one. So Prathabhai is sitting there, I am sitting here, and only 2 or 3 staffs are there. But volumes are very less on that days. Today volumes are more.
Yes.
And all physical on that days. Today all mix match.
So Rajni bhai, just to continue from that, Pratap bhai, it is a 1-to-1 business for you. ऊपर से क्लाइंट बेस इतना बड़ा है. ये हाउ डू यू डू जस्टिस टू से एसेट एलोकेशन, रिकमेंडेशन, ऐसे 1-to-1 बिजनेस में मैनेजिंग सच अ लार्ज बेस एंड डूइंग जस्टिस टू ईच इंडिविजुअल इन्वेस्टर, ये कैसे होता है?
We have RM also. So sometimes they take help of the RM also, investor.
बट कोर एडवाइस तो
we are
आपका
going
होता
on
है.
goal base.
हाँ, बस.
एक स्ट्रेटेजी किया कितना गोल है आपका, what is your long term goal, what is your short term goal, and you stick to your goal. If market goes up and you change your goal, it's not. Volatility won't, in volatile market you should not change your goal. Then only you will.
But
get benefit.
we explain very well to clients. So when Mandi they don't call.
हाँ.
मार्केट गिर गया तो मुझे कम कॉल आते हैं, ऐसा मुझे लग रहा है. बिकॉज वी एडुकेट देम कि वो रिस्की प्रोडक्ट, बट लॉन्ग टर्म यू विल बी इन बेनिफिट.
बिकॉज 28 साल सेम इन्वेस्टर को
Yeah,
मैनेज
yeah,
करना
yeah.
इज नॉट अ जोक.
बट स्वरूप इसमें फायदा क्या होता है कि इन्वेस्टर के पास जब पैसा आता
हाँ
है
जी.
या हम कुछ उसको मार्केटिंग करते हैं, सो दैट वॉट एवर 1500 फैमिली और 2000 फैमिली ऑल टुगेदर इज नॉट कमिंग टू अस ना.
अच्छा.
कोई रेफरेंस से आया है, कोई रेफरल से आया है. सो वेन एवर दे गेट मनी, सम बोनस, सम एडिशनल अमाउंट, तो पर डे 40, 50, 30 क्लाइंट्स यू हैव टू हैंडल ना, नॉट 800 फैमिली एट ए टाइम ना.
बट उनका पोर्टफोलियो का सब कुछ बैकएंड में रहता है.
So
Back end
we have the
program.
program.
Yeah, okay, brilliant.
Service mostly we are, after the service we are doing maximum from our side. 80-90% में all clients are happy.
बट ब्रॉड स्कीम सिलेक्शन और सब कुछ वो
Yeah.
आप दोनों करते हैं. वंडरफुल.
Mostly.
बट अभी एक ऐसे एक पड़ाव पे आ गया है बिजनेस की सक्सेशन प्लानिंग भी करना पड़ रहा है. आगे देखना पड़ता है. वेरी फ्यू पीपल एक्चुअली कम टू दिस प्लेस एंड उसके आगे भी बढ़ पाते हैं.
Yeah.
बट आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू से कि आप इतना अच्छे से आप उसको आगे ले रहे हैं, उस पर थोड़ा सुनना चाहूँगा और सबको सुनना भी है.
So my son Sarvesh Trivedi, he joined me from last 2 years.
Wow.
And he is doing good.
In our business, mostly I have seen last 28 years of journey. सेकेंड जनरेशन ये बिजनेस में आता ही नहीं है. तो या तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कौन बंद हो जाता है या
Then
तो और
he
कोई
must
टेक ओवर कर
merge
लेता
merge with some other entity.
बट वी आर लकी सेकंड जनरेशन इज इंटरेस्टेड लास्ट 2 years they are coming now 50-60% they are handling
Service is already handling. Huh?
only
Wonderful.
experience we are whatever experience we have in the last 20 to 28 years that only we share.
नहीं, आपका ये बड़प्पन है कि आप मानते हो कि आप लकी हो,
हाँ.
बट आई फील एनीबडी हु विल इनहेरिट दिस बिजनेस, उनका भी एक नया सोच है. लाइक मेरे और मेरे बेटे में सोच में बहुत
बहुत
फर्क
फर्क
है. एंड व्हाट दे कैन डू टू एक्सपैंड इज समथिंग विच आई फील यू ऑल आल्सो रिस्पेक्ट. सर्वेश को मैं देख रहा हूँ काफ़ी दिन से,
Yeah.
उसका एक फ्रीडम है काम करने का. बट मेरे हिसाब से when the second generation takes over, it has a different dimension to the
Yeah.
business, and in that I wish you and Sarvesh and both, I think both the kids are doing so well. So अच्छा लगा ये सुनने के लिए. It's something which everybody should know how the second generation can
Yeah.
take it forward. But I feel आपका इसमें रोल भी बहुत बड़ा है, नहीं तो how will he be attracted? आप बोलिए.
I will share my experience. Yesterday, I went to one of my client. He took policy of 50 lakh rupees. So he told me that प्रताप भाई आपका भी एज हो गया है, मेरा भी एज हो गया है, को हो जाएगा तो क्लेम कौन ला के देगा? Then I told that sir, my son has already joined from last 2 years. Then he
शाबाश.
good, very good. Then
Sachin.
give me his number. He took service number, mobile number. So he will service you. Don't worry. Then he satisfied. Okay.
जैसे मेरा सेकंड जनरेशन अभी आया है,
हाँ.
क्लाइंटों का भी सेकंड जनरेशन का इन्वेस्टमेंट आ रहा है बिकॉज 1992 इफ समबडी इज 50 एज टुडे ही मे बी 80 और उसका सन भी अभी अर्निंग मनी, तो आई एम हैप्पी. इन्वेस्टर में भी सेकंड जनरेशन हमारे पास
वो एक
आना
बड़ा
चाहिए.
सर्टिफिकेट होता है ना
Yeah,
बिजनेस
yeah,
का.
yeah.
But apart what I have seen, I have been coming here for 10 years now.
Yeah, yeah.
Same stuff,
Same stuff.
same people. So there is continuity in that also, and that is credit to both of you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. नहीं, our staff is also very good. हाँ, टीम का बहुत बड़ा हाथ है उसमें. We are also there, but they also same power. They are also there. ऐसा नहीं कि खाली बॉस बोलेगा फिर टीम इज नॉट लुकिंग. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट.
एक लास्ट बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट
Yes,
सवाल
sir.
कि एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग पड़ाव पे हम लोग हैं म्यूचुअल फंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में, म्यूचुअल फंड एसेट मैनेजमेंट में. लॉट ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स पोस्ट कोविड विल हैव देयर ओन व्यूज. आपका एक क्या एडवाइस रहेगा टू योर पार्टनर्स अक्रॉस द कंट्री, क्योंकि काफ़ी लोग देखते हैं एंड वी गेट फीडबैक ऑन दैट. एंड आपके एक्सपीरियंस 28 साल, बेस्ड ऑन दैट आपको क्या लगता है नेक्स्ट 5-10 ईयर्स क्या करना चाहिए?
मुझे लगता है स्वरूप पैसा बहुत है, इन्वेस्टर्स भी बहुत है. अगर आप थोड़ा मेहनत करके ध्यान दे के कंटिन्यूटी रखते हो, एडवाइस में मिस्टेक इज ओके, मिसचिफ नहीं होना चाहिए. नंबर 2, क्लाइंट्स काफ़ी हैं तो आपका भी वो हिसाब से पूरा टीम सेटअप. नाउ डिजिटल मोड हैज केम, so very easy to serve them. We have mixed people, but nowadays those who are new or they want to start new something, for that distributor is no problem.
Fantastic.
Very big amount is coming on the way. काफ़ी लोग इन्वेस्टमेंट लेके आप खाली ट्राई करो एंड कंटिन्यूटी रखो, then 100% your business will grow.
मतलब
I have no
First,
doubt.
first you have to earn trust from the clients. Trust is the main, and you have to change with the situation. You have to adapt new technology. Then client will be with you.
After sale service, mostly I have seen people are not interested in after sale service.
एब्सोल्युटली.
Mostly.
ये जो आपने कहा कि मिस्टेक हो सकता है
हाँ,
लेकिन मिस्टेक
मिसचिफ
नहीं
मत
होना
करो,
चाहिए.
मिसचिफ नहीं करो.
इतना सच मेरा लर्निंग इसमें आज का ये है
नहीं, mistake तो होता है.
कि चांस किसी और का पैसा है, सो वी हैव टू रिस्पेक्ट दैट.
Yeah.
थैंक यू रजनी भाई, थैंक यू
Yeah.
प्रताप भाई
Thank
फॉर
you, thank
डूइंग
you.
दिस. विश यू
Swaroop.
a great year and a wonderful investing career ahead, and thank you for doing this with us.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
All the
Thank
best.
you.
So Rajni bhai talked about the need for continuity of the business, and Pratap bhai introduced the concept of succession, of how his son Sarvesh has joined the business for the last 2 years. We are very fortunate that Sarvesh has also joined us along with Mr. Magdum Ansari. Magdum handles this relationship on behalf of Mire Asset. So we'll have a small chat on this with both of them. Sarvesh, starting with you.
Yes, sir.
Of course, joining the business as the succession, as the way forward. huge expectations. It's a very successful business. How has that been over the last 2 years?
Last 2 years has been big phenomenal. So it is privileged to work in a organization which is 3 decades old. At the same time, you have big responsibilities and you need to prove something to yourself. So my main challenges was that I am meeting the clients who used to deal with dad and my uncle. So that I need to give them something better than them. So my focus is how can I enhance their experience, how can give them a better client experience. So I thought that how to mitigate it with technology and with dad's trust, and that's how my focus started in developing a better client experience through bringing technological tools into the business. So my main focus is to make a focus on client portfolio, reallocate their asset allocation, and that's how I've been focusing, and my last 2 years spent on that thing.
But if you see your dad and your uncle, I mean 28 years, they have worked on a way of business, and most of their business has been on referrals.
Right.
And you get referrals only if the work is good, right?
Yes.
So how do you take forward this referral business?
So if we see that we don't solicit direct clients, we only focus on giving a proper client experience, focusing and servicing our existing clients. That's how we get a good references from the clients, and many of our new clients come through a referral phase. So delivering a good experience rather than directly marketing to cold calling to other clients, we focus on delivering a proper service to our existing clients.
Wow. I mean, in this world when people shy away from disclosing
Yes.
their money and money habits to people, you build a business of people sharing it amongst each other.
Yeah.
Cannot be a bigger certificate for your business. But when you look at the world ahead, say 2021, obviously there is a post-COVID era. Hopefully COVID ends
Right.
then. How do you look at it going forward?
So 2021, I'll take it back to before COVID levels. Before COVID levels, everything used to work fine. Your existing systems were proper. You order something and your employee used to execute for yourself. But after COVID, things changed. Now everything came on to us because you've been working from home.
Correct.
So on that, I thought that we need to rework on your existing processes, techniques, how you settle your trades. So next 2021 would be to strengthening your existing techniques and further reorganizing your business processes.
Yeah, one last question from my side. What are your basic learnings from your uncle and dad? Two large, huge characters. What would you have learned from them? Of course, you've seen them from your childhood.
So one thing which I would like to say is simplicity from my dad,
Yeah.
and other thing which I'll take from my uncle is confidence.
But Magdum, I'll bring you into this conversation. I do believe that in our mutual fund industry, naseeb se, कहते हैं ना?
Correct.
You get this kind of a relationship
Yes,
to
yes.
handle, and you are fortunate to handle that. I am fortunate to be coming here. What are your views, and if you could share your experiences with SJ?
So it's been almost 3 years now. I'm managing SJ Investments relationship. Every interaction that I had with Pratap Bhai and Rajni Bhai is an opportunity to learn. They have got a huge experience. It's long time in the market for them, and everybody who is associated with them, whether it is a client or an employee or people like me who are RMs, actually they learn from them and they get benefited. They are managing ultra HNI clients, and they have a large retail base also, and they have got that expertise and the infrastructure to cater to the needs of everybody. And one thing, it is a life lesson for me also, that they stick to the principle of simplicity and continuity. They teach the same thing to the investors also, and it is necessary to maintain that discipline, that you must understand what is investment is all about. That simplicity actually helped the investors to follow the discipline and reach their financial goals. And one last thing I would say, I have noticed that they have always focused on one-to-one relationships, interacting people directly, and that bonding and that trust has developed in the clients, and that is why people are very confident on them that if SJ is there, I think my money is safe, is in safe hands. So that confidence is there in the minds of the investors, and I think they are now managing the first generation, second generation, and third generation's money. And similar thing is getting reflected in SJ also. Now Sarvesh is taking care of all the clients, and he's trying to continue the legacy. So my congratulations to all the SJ team members for this fabulous journey, and a great luck to Sarvesh for his future endeavors.
Much
I
for
will
joining.
also
Yes.
congratulate you and entire Mirai AMC team for completing 1 year of Big Leap.
Wow.
It's
yeah.
a one of its kind initiative in the industry, and congratulate entire team for it.
No, it's been a great experience for us, and we get to hear such wonderful stories. These stories need to be shared.
Right.
We feel, and that was the thought process. And we are on the cusp of the second year of this. You start the second year journey with us. So thank you so much for joining us. Wish all of you great health and a very happy new year on behalf of all of us here at SJ and at Mirai Asset.
Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.